This robot vacuum and mop combo with 5,000 PA suction power brings a strong balance of deep cleaning performance and smart automation for modern homes. Designed to handle both vacuuming and mopping in a single run, it reduces the need for manual cleaning while maintaining consistent results across different floor types. The powerful suction is strong enough to lift dust, crumbs, pet hair, and debris from hard floors and carpets, making it a practical choice for busy households and pet owners. With intelligent navigation, the robot moves efficiently around furniture and tight spaces, covering rooms in a structured cleaning path instead of random movement. This helps it clean more effectively in less time, while avoiding unnecessary repetition. Built-in sensors improve safety by detecting obstacles, preventing collisions, and reducing the risk of falling from stairs. This makes it reliable for daily use, even in complex home layouts, with multiple rooms and furniture arrangements. The integrated mopping system adds extra value by handling fine dust and light stains after vacuuming. It delivers controlled water output that helps keep floors clean without leaving excess moisture behind. This combination of vacuuming and mopping ensures a more complete cleaning experience, especially for homes with kids or pets where floors need frequent maintenance. Smart App Control enhances convenience by allowing users to manage cleaning tasks directly from their phone. You can schedule cleanings, switch between modes, and select specific areas or rooms depending on your needs. Whether you want a quick cleanup or a full home deep clean, the customization options make it easy to adjust. The long-lasting battery supports extended cleaning sessions, and when the battery runs low, it automatically returns to its dock to recharge before continuing the job if needed. Its slim design allows it to reach under beds, sofas, and cabinets, where traditional cleaning tools often struggle. Carpet detection automatically boosts suction power when needed for deeper cleaning performance on fabric surfaces. The dustbin and water tank are designed for practical everyday use, reducing the frequency of emptying and refilling. Overall, this robot vacuum and mop combo delivers strong performance, smart navigation, and convenient automation, making it a dependable cleaning assistant for maintaining a cleaner home with less effort.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.